Millions of us will spend a portion of Thanksgiving in the kitchen getting the meal ready.
But safety experts say it's important to remember there's a major risk of fire this time of the year. On your sides, Christine Lazar has some tips to stay safe. We don't want anything to burn, Christine.
I know. I mean, you don't want the turkey to burn, but you certainly don't want your kitchen to go up in flames when you're trying to host Thanksgiving. And, you know, we kind of make light of it, and it's kind of like a no-brainer, but the numbers don't lie.
Right.
There are so many kitchen fires on Thanksgiving, and there's really just a few tips you need to keep in mind to keep safe.